The webCRM system's chart and dashboard module gives you a unique opportunity to generate graphical summaries based on the information you have available in your webCRM system. The chart and dashboard module can help you to see an overview of your pipeline, your budget, your customer types, do accounting of your customers or the segmentations, show you statistics and much more, and is available from the utility menu in webCRM. With the dashboard, you can consolidate all your various charts in one or multiple screens. The dashboard will automatically switch between the different screens, which are updated continuously. In this way, you can, in example, display it on a monitor in the sales room, and your sales consultants can now follow the development of the various pipelines and more. This video is divided into chapters so you easily can find the information you want to learn more about. In this overview, you can see when the various chapters starts, so you can fast forward to the chapter you need. To set up a chart to show your pipeline, click Utilities and Charts. Click on Create Chart. Now select the pipeline in the chart type. Give it a name and click Save. Now select the size of your chart and if the labels must be visible on the X-axis. You can also give it a headline here. Select the data you want to display and whether the amount should be unweighted, weighted, or both. You must also choose whether to display the pipeline level or estimated order dates, and what additional values to use as well. You must also decide what type of chart you want to use. Now choose how your pipeline should be split and whether it should be possible to print or save the chart. If you have made a pipeline overview, you can also now choose whether this should be used to form the basis for more detailed information. Finally, you can choose a theme for your chart and define the different colors you want to use. Note that if you don't choose any colors, these are automatically generated. In the data filter here, make your selection so your chart shows an example a selected time period, or perhaps a specific industry, type, or status. When you're done, click Save, and your chart to display the pipeline is now ready and can be activated here at View Chart, or at the front page of your webCRM system. To set up a chart to show your budgets, click Utilities, Charts, click on Create Chart. Now select Budgets in the chart type. Give it a name and click Save. Now select the size of your chart and give it a headline. Then select one of your budgets from the list. Please note that this requires that budgets are created in the budget menu. Select whether the layout should be columns or bars, how many months should be displayed, and at the same time what additional data to be included. Finally, you can choose a theme for your chart and define the different colors you want to use. Note that if you don't choose any colors, these are automatically generated. When you're done, click Save, and your chart to display the budget is now ready and can be activated here from View Chart. Or from the front page of your webCRM system. To set up a chart to do accounting of specific data in your webCRM system, click Utilities and Charts. Click on Create Chart. Now select Count Data Items in the chart type. Give it a name and click Save. Now select the size of your chart and give it a headline. You must also choose how many different items to be counted, how they should be divided, and what type of chart to display the totals in. Subsequently, select the data to be counted and whether they should be named something different when the chart is displayed. In the data, you can choose to make segmentations within each data type. So in this way, you can limit or expand the display in that particular area. The data filter is identical and constructed in the same way as the data filter you use to set up an overview. Remember that you, in the filter, can put in a tick in Prompt User, allowing you to select different criteria for your selection without making a chart for each criteria. Finally, you can choose a theme for your chart and define the different colors you want to use. Note that if you don't choose any colors, these are automatically generated. When you're done, click Save, and your chart is now ready to enumerate the selected data items and can be activated here on View Chart. Or at the front page of your webCRM system. To set up a chart to see specific data divided up over a period of time in your webCRM system, click Utilities, Charts, click on Create Chart. Now select Split by Data/Timeline in the chart type. Give it a name and click Save. Now select the size of your chart and give it a headline. Select the type of data to form the basis of your view, what to plot by, and on which data, as in this example shows a chart based on support cases. Then select the chart type. Decide whether you want a horizontal line in the chart that in example shows you the goal you expect to achieve. If you made an overview about this type of data, you can now choose whether this should be used to form the basis for more detailed information. Now select the timeline and the date field to divide the data by. If you chose to insert a horizontal line, you must now choose the target for this. Finally, you can choose to define a data filter in your search, in example, if it should be based on a specific period of time or other conditions. When you're done, click Save, and you can now see the result here in View Chart, or from the front page of your webCRM system. The dashboard is a collection of your various charts shown in up to 8 different screens with up to 4 charts per screen, and can be used to display a continuously update of your charts. The dashboard can in example be set up to be displayed on a monitor in the sales room, so your consultants can follow the development of your business. To have this opportunity, you need to create a special dashboard user under Configuration and Users. Create a user and click on the link Change to Dashboard User. Note that the special dashboard user will be counted as a normal user in your webCRM system. The dashboard you can set up here under Utilities and Charts. Click on Create Chart. In the chart type, select Dashboard. Give it a name and click Save. You must now choose how many pages your dashboard should consist of and how many hours you want the duration to be. Once the dashboard has been running for the selected number of hours, it stops automatically. You also need to choose how often it should be updated with new data from your webCRM system. Subsequently, insert your various charts in the dashboard as shown here, and choose for how long time each slide should be displayed before switching to the next. When your dashboard is done, you can see the result by clicking on View Chart. The dashboard will be launched by logging into the webCRM system as the special dashboard user. webCRM's Chart and Dashboard module gives you access to create many more different combinations and possibilities than the examples you have seen in this video, and gives you the option to display charts and statistics of your information from your webCRM system. Already created charts can be accessed from the front page of webCRM.